Hopefully this will be the light will be good. I'm letting it dry a little more. It would of course just kind of hang. There it is. I'm going to drill this out a little more. I've got to find my my bigger bits. I'm going to put a bigger hole here, but there it is. And what I might do on the inside, I might nail a couple of nails down here so this doesn't go in any further. And I don't know that I needed to do it, but I put a 45-degree angle on that, make sure it could flip up. It does. It's not a big deal, and it's got an overhang. I'll probably put a dowel down here for the roosting, whatever, for where they can land on and before they go in. I don't know what it's called now. I can't think. But anyhow, for the first one I've ever built, I think it turned out okay. It is out of plywood. I think that's 3/4 inch plywood, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's 3/4 inch plywood. I could probably paint it or stain it and it'll be fine. I'll go ahead and get a better view of it. Maybe I can get a better lighting over here. Yeah, that's better. So I'm letting the glue set up still, but there it is. Like I said, I'm gonna drill this out, be a bigger hole. This just be for small birds. I'll start doing something here for bigger birds, I guess. I'm probably gonna make another mobile coop as well. Like I said, just trying to figure out what we can do to make a different stream of income here on the homestead. That way we can both kind of break away from what we're already having to do, and I'll go further into detail on why we're doing that in maybe a week or two. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, you can only get better from here. Well, I think for the first ever birdhouse that I've built, this one definitely turned out pretty good. Painted it green and black. I'm letting it dry now. I'll go hang it up outside somewhere and see if the birds like it. I actually used my jigsaw and cut the hole out bigger with the jigsaw. Just put a couple of holes with the drill and the drill bit, and then cut around. I've still got to get a dowel. I don't have any dowels right now, so I've got to get a dowel to put in there for like a little landing perch so they can land and go in. That should be pretty good. It didn't take very long at all to build. There it is. Tell me what you think. I'll try and build a different kind next time. I've got a couple different ideas, so we'll see.